What is going on, y'all? This is PowerfullyPaij, a channel dedicated to teaching you how to look good, eat good, and live good. In today's video, we are getting into black bean soup. I understand it is quarantine. Y'all can't go nowhere. There ain't nothing to do. You bored in the house and you in the house bored. All of that. So this is such an easy, filling recipe. It's a one-pot meal, so you don't have to wash dishes. You don't have to think about it. This soup is super packed with protein and it's super fibrous. So you're going to be farting a lot, shitting a lot, but it's okay because no one's around to smell it. And this is the perfect time to get rid of all those random beans you have in your pantry. And it's so easy to remix. And don't worry, because all of the ingredients for this specific soup will be in the description box below. It is so simple and you really don't have to overthink it. And there's so many different ways you could remix it. And the great part about this is that you let it sit in the crock pot for a few hours and you have soup and food for the rest of the week. And what I love about this is that it's a vegan dish, but you can make it vegetarian by adding cheese or sour cream, or you can make it a meat eater dish by adding carne asada or rotisserie chicken or any other protein you like to it. I recommend adding bell peppers, jalapenos, onion, garlic, cilantro, and scotch bonnet peppers. Those are going to pack it in with a lot of flavor, but also start out with things you already have on hand. This is the point of this soup. It's a dump soup and it is super simple. You don't need to be an Insta chef to make this. You just need to be hungry. All right, so whatever salsas you have, whatever ingredients you have, you can make an amazing soup. This is just the base for it, and I'm showing you how to add it all together and what to expect in the end. So I'm challenging you during this lockdown quarantine to make this soup for your family and tell me what you think. Tell me if you added chicken to it or what the vibe was, because this is such a delicious soup. I love it.